How to set up Hey Siri on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Siri. Siri is an intelligent assistant that helps you find information and get things done. You can customize Siri's speed, language, and even enable Type to Siri for a silent interaction, and control whether it responds when your iPhone is locked. On this page, tap on Talk to Siri. You can choose how you want to activate Siri from here. For example, Siri or Hey Siri. This helps Siri recognize your voice when you say Siri or Hey Siri. Then, tap on Continue below. Follow the instructions as shown over here. Once you have completed all the steps, tap on Done below. Following these steps, you can easily set up Hey Siri on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.